Cold coffee or recipe. 2 cups of freshly brewed coffee hot, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Adjust to taste, 1/2 cup of milk dairy or a dairy-free. Alternative like almond or oat milk, ice cubes, optional, flavored syrups. Whipped cream or a splash of vanilla extract. 1. Brew coffee. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee. You can use a drip coffee maker, a French press, or any preferred brewing method. 2. Sweeten while the coffee is still hot. Stir in the sugar until it's fully dissolved. Adjust the amount of sugar to your preferred sweetness level. 3. Cool coffee. Allow the sweetened coffee to cool to room temperature. You can speed up this process by placing it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. 4. Add milk. Once the coffee has cooled, add your choice of milk and any optional flavored syrups or vanilla extract. Stir to combine. 5. Fill a glass with ice. Fill a glass with ice cubes. The amount of ice depends on your preference. More ice will make it colder and more refreshing. 6. Pour coffee. Pour the sweetened and milk-infused coffee over the ice in your glass. 7. Stir. Stir the coffee and ice to combine the ingredients. If desired, you can top your iced coffee with whipped cream or a drizzle of flavored syrup for extra flavor and sweetness. 8. Enjoy. Insert a straw and enjoy your homemade iced coffee. This homemade iced coffee is a great way to enjoy a refreshing caffeine boost on a warm day or anytime you're craving a chilled coffee treat. Customize it to your liking by adjusting the sugar, milk, and any additional flavorings.